Turn your right hand thumb towards your face. Lift up and out. Now close your hand and pull down across and repeat. And again.
Go back. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngayon, ready? Do you want flexion? Do you want extension? Go straight, head attack. R-O-R-O-L. Ready? Look behind your right shoulder, close and turn your right hand towards your face. Turn your head and look behind your left shoulder as you pull your hand up across. Now open your hand and turn your head and look behind your right shoulder as you push down and away. Repeat and again.
Next.
Next, flexion and
Bilateral symmetrical D1. D1, yes.
ready. Close your hand and turn them towards your face. Pull up and across your face. Now open your hand and turn away from your face. And push down and away.
Next.
Repeat
Hands like
and
Houdini.
again. Upper extremity, bilateral,
Use this to simulate eating. And diba, you use eating with this one here. Diba? You don't do this one. Right? Or you can like combing or wearing a shirt. Dito din ang wearing a shirt.
So, bilateral, symmetrical pattern, D2 flexion, D2 extension. So, ready? Open your hand and turn your thumb up and out. Now raise your arms and reach up and away. Close your hand and bend your wrist. Open your hand and turn your thumb up and out. Now raise your hand. Close your hand behind your wrist towards your little finger side.
May look funny, but it is
Pull down and across the opposite hip. And repeat and again.
But you see,
Wrong pattern. D1 flexion, elbow flexion, D1 extension, elbow extension. Ready? Close your hand and turn towards your face. Now pull your arms up and across as you bend your elbows across your face. Open your hand, thumbs turn down and away. Now reach down and as you straighten your elbow and repeat and again.
okay, good. Next.
Flexion,
Pwedeng answering mo na sa
extension,
question. It
elbow
does not matter
extension.
that
Ready?
flex or extended.
Open your hands, thumb, turn up and away. Now bend your elbows as you raise your arms up and away. Point the elbows up and out. Close your hand and bend your wrist towards your little finger side. Now reach down and across the opposite hip. As you strengthen your elbows and repeat and again.
This gives emphasis to your
Elbow extension, D1 extension, elbow flexion. Ready? Close your hand and turn them towards your face. Now reach up and across. Strengthen your elbows across your face. Open your hand. Open your hand and turn your thumb down and away. Now bend your elbows and pull down and out to the side and repeat and again.
Oh, flex.
Again. Sige.
how easy it is?
Symmetrical pattern, D1, D2 flexion, elbow extension, D2 extension, elbow flexion. Ready? Open your hands, thumb towards your ears. Now raise your arms, strengthen your elbows as your hand reach up and away. Reach as far as you can, close your hands and bend your wrist towards the little finger side and pull down your elbow. Ready? Open your hands, thumbs down towards your ear. Thumbs towards your ear. Now raise your arms, strengthen your elbows as your hand reach up and away. Reach as far as you can. Close your hands and bend your wrist towards the little finger and pull your elbows towards the middle so that each point so to the opposite hip and repeat.